And welcome to Grantham Caravans. I'm Sean Calica, part of the sales team here. Just want to give you a quick walk around tour of the Swift Sprite Super Quattro FB 2022. So please sit down and enjoy. Caravan, just showing you the external. So it's the Sprite Super Quattro FB. It's a twin axle, 6 berth, 8 foot wide caravan. Again, the side decals you can see there with the twin axles are just on the outside where the battery is housed, and obviously your toilet again at the rear. In terms for towing, obviously you've got your Alco hitch, and then obviously your main connections. Your gas is obviously housed into the front locker, and obviously your main grab handles. Around just to get a good idea, obviously, with the main badge itself, looks absolutely beautiful. The one thing naturally with Swift is it does come with LED lights, and then also as standard it comes with the fitments on the rear if you did want to look into an option of getting a bike rack fitted. The interior, so as we walk in, so you've got your main living area, so your 2 single beds, nice open in terms of the panoramic. So again, I've put down in terms of the blinds, so you can see there. So it's got your blinds just on the front. Beautiful. Nice contrasting colours. So again, darker on the seat, and obviously your backrests nice and lighter. Again, where it sits nicely with the curtains, your overhead lockers as well. On your front binnacle, you've got your main electric 230, your TV points, and then also as well your USB connection. And you'll also notice there with the fly screens, in terms of a blind, obviously it drops down just in case of clicking to be able to bring back up. Main controls, so it's a blown air system, so Truma blown air. Your main controls just on the side on here, and also for 2022 it comes with a standard radio, so again that's where it's housed. We take them out of display models. So in terms of the finish, obviously it's a non-gloss finish, and also your overhead speakers for the radio. Main opening, so again just opening up, so you want to put a bed of air in, and then obviously to be able to shut off at night, or again stop the flies coming in. So you can see across the side dining area, so again beautiful spacious area, has the runners across the ceiling, so if you do want to bring the curtains and pull them round, so again that just pulls around nicely. Your 3 overhead lockers, all with the same shelving at the same depth, plenty of storage. There's 1 socket just in the far corner, and again to be able to open up and go across, so just underneath on the side on here to be able to bring down and put the legs down as well. Straight opposite up is with regards to the kitchen area, so again you'll see there with your Dometic fridge. So your Dometic fridge itself, so again two shelves, 2 baskets, your main freezer compartment, and beautiful in terms of the surface. Again, nice deep bowl. Moving to the oven, the cooker, it's got 3 gas ring burners, top grill, and 1 shelf in the oven. Nice little bit of storage just underneath, and then right under the sink is where your cutlery drawer, again the tray compartment underneath there as well. Your microwave is housed right above, so again 2 electric sockets which can be put through again the section there. Plates and glasses, and again an extra compartment, and then you've got another overhead right above, just again in terms of just bringing a bit of extra air into the van. So right next to the blinds, so again you now see moving to the rear bed we've got a couple of cupboards, so one to the right, one to the left. So your main cupboard on the right is where the table is housed, your aerial. There's nice deep storage. If we go directly opposite, and the mirror on the door, you've then got your infills for making the beds, your rails, again, plenty of room there as well. So just moving to obviously the bed itself, so you'll notice there with the Duvet mattress. Underneath is where we store in terms of the carpets and also your spare wheel. If you want to shut off at night, you've then got the rail that runs all the way across. And again, that's just unclicked and then pulled across as well. Overhead lockers. So again, nice little bit of storage. So again, just above the bed, shelving to the right, and then your headboard protector. And then moving into the corner bathroom. So as we come straight in, you've got the Thetford toilet, your main sink, and the mirror, and then straight through to the shower. And it just controls slide across on the doors. We do take the showers out of display models. You've then got your ring, and then obviously in terms of the hanger as well, again with the open up as well, and to just bring some extra air in. Same system, easy to pop open. So one final look just of the layout, but again it's certainly a nice place to be. Thank you for watching, hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any questions at all, please contact a member of the sales team on 01476 560 599, and we look forward to speak to you soon. Thank you.